How can validate an online course creator's niche and never look back? Validating an online course creator's niche involves ensuring that there is sufficient demand and interest from the target audience before investing significant time and resources into course creation. Here's a step-by-step approach to validate a niche effectively. 1. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand the needs, preferences, and pain points of your target audience. Use tools like keyword research, competitor analysis, and social listening to gather insights into the demand and competition within your chosen niche. 2. Audience engagement. Engage directly with your target audience to gather feedback and validate interest in your niche. Use surveys, interviews, or focus groups to understand their challenges, goals, and willingness to invest in solutions like your course. 3. Lead magnet testing. Create a lead magnet or free content related to your niche and offer it to your target audience in exchange for their contact information. Monitor the response rate and engagement levels to gauge interest and validate the demand for your niche. 4. Pilot launch or beta testing. Launch a pilot version or beta test of your course to a small group of students or beta testers. Gather feedback, testimonials, and performance data to assess the viability and potential success of your niche before scaling up. 5. Pre-selling or pre-enrollment. Offer pre-selling or pre-enrollment for your course to gauge interest and validate demand before fully developing the course content. Set enrollment targets and assess whether you meet or exceed them to determine the viability of your niche. 6. Evaluate key metrics. Measure key metrics such as website traffic, engagement rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated from pre-sales or lead magnet offers. Use these metrics to assess the level of interest and validate the profitability of your niche. 7. Iterate based on feedback. Continuously gather feedback from your audience and adapt your course content, marketing strategies, and positioning based on their insights. Be willing to iterate and make adjustments as needed to ensure the long-term success of your online course within your validated niche. By following these steps and continuously monitoring and adjusting based on feedback, you can validate your niche effectively and confidently move forward with creating and marketing your online course.